Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Yarbo snowblower module. Huge shout out to Yarbo for sending us this product. If you're interested in the snowblower module or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. So inside we got our product literature, quick start guide, full user guide and manual. We have our snow treads here. We have our snow shovel, followed by our chute for the snow blower. Then you'll notice a couple parts and pieces here, spare screws, shear pins and cotter pins. We have our diverter connection bolts and a couple of miscellaneous tools right there. And we also have the snow blower itself right here.